Hey guys, Brian Yanish from ScrapKins, video 4 of our 5-step series of how to create a milk carton guitar. Now video 4 is decorating the guitar. Every guitar looks super cool when you start adding paint to it. So you can see that this one, we created some nice designs. We actually took a very ordinary milk carton guitar like this and we were able to create a very cool pattern. Now, I actually used an acrylic paint to actually decorate this. Now, the reason we use an acrylic paint is that it's actually easier to cover up slick surfaces like milk cartons. If you use a poster or tempera paint, you're not going to get that coverage. I think I actually painted this with 2 coats to get that nice bright blue. I actually add these extra patterns, these little triangle shapes. I actually just took some yellow paper and I cut out some triangles. I glued them on the front of my carton to actually get those designs. So you can actually play around with this, experiment how you want to decorate your guitar. And once you're happy with the way it looks, then we'll go ahead and attach the strings. So check back for our last video when I'm going to show you how to put the strings on. Then you can actually work on playing your guitar. Thanks for watching. Leave me comments and questions below. Thanks, guys.